Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review that with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
The court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Tamayo, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I did, and I would like to address the court so I can just let you know what I'm doing in Texas. I'm from California.
Okay.
It ain't gonna make a difference.
All right, then maybe your attorney doesn't want to talk about what you're doing here. All right, counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Proceeding on count 2 waiting.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you cite it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand your charge of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 1B, 4 grams to 200 grams? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Today we've got front row seats to a courtroom train wreck featuring a repeat offender who clearly didn't get the memo. Never disrespect the judge. From the moment this guy sits down, the attitude is off the charts. Scoffing, eye-rolling, leaning back in his chair like he's on a playground instead of inside a courtroom. He's radiating smugness like it's a cologne. Rule number 1 when you're facing serious charges, let your lawyer talk for you. But nope, this guy decides to turn his hearing into a stand-up comedy routine. Here's the problem. In court, jokes don't earn laughs. They earn contempt of court charges. Judges have the power to enforce respect under Rule 3.5. So mocking the person holding your future in their hands? That's not bold. That's catastrophically stupid. It's like insulting the chef before your food comes out. Sure, you can do it, but don't be surprised when you're served a plate of disaster. And then, as if he wasn't already digging himself a hole, this man casually tells Judge Boyd that he wants to be sent back to California. Excuse me, is this a courtroom or a travel agency? Does he think California prisons come with yoga classes?
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
I try not to, but yes.
Well, I mean, it's either you did or you did not. If you want a jury trial, we can set you for jury trial.
No, I just give up the rights.
All right.
Right?
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Tamayo, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, but I would like to say something.
Yes.
It's approaching. I came to visit a cousin in July, and I was here only for a month. It took 5 months for me to see a court date. I lost my brother, I lost my cousin that I came to visit while I was in Costa, lost my aunt, lost my sister-in-law too. And I was hoping for probation, you know what I mean? Go to Victory Outcry and get a blueprint and help out the community, give you guys a year and have the community speak for itself, you know what I mean?
All right, well, what I can tell you is this is Texas, not California, and that's not the way things are done here. So my question is,
I also know what's constitutional, not constitutional.
Has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
Nah.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
I just finished doing 10 years.
All right, has anyone promised you anything other than this plea bargain agreement?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Anyway, I can't complain.
All right, are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, I am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I understand it all.
According to the plea, state is proceeding on count 2. Punishment is to be assessed at 3 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine and there are no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea? Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, are there being such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged in count 2, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
State offers State's Exhibit number 1 and attachments.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence state's exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same.
I signed a paper to get extradited. They said 30, 60, 90 days. Am I gonna get extradited back to California?
Avocado toast, and scenic views? The logic here is completely missing. Meanwhile, you can see Judge Boyd's patience thinning by the second. Honestly, she deserves a medal for not snapping. And his poor attorney. The man looks like he wants the floor to swallow him whole. You can see it in his eyes. Yep, my client just earned himself an express ticket to the maximum sentence. And sure enough, 3 years. Just like that. What blows my mind is that this man literally just got out of prison not too long ago, and now he's back at it again, speedrunning the justice system like it's some kind of video game. Under the 3 strikes law in certain states, repeat offenders can face life behind bars. So honestly, he's lucky this wasn't strike 3, or he wouldn't be seeing freedom anytime soon. But here's the kicker: he's smiling, laughing, carrying himself like prison is some kind of badge of honor. Judges notice demeanor during sentencing. Rule 32 of the Federal Rules of Criminal Procedure makes it clear that behavior matters. And sitting there grinning like it's a party? That's basically begging the judge to throw the book at you. It's sad, really. You'd think after
You're going to serve your time in custody in Texas prison, and then they will transfer you.
I thought I was gonna get extradited before that.
All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, hell yeah.
All
I
right.
love Texas. Yeah.
Court will sentence you to 3 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine, time and money to run concurrent. There's to be no contact with Sandra L. Torres.
Why is that?
All right. Counsel, is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights? And I'm sorry, also no contact with Julian Rodriguez
How do you know that, dude? I met him that day.
and Christy Brown. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargain, counsel, did he review the document?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Good luck with you.
a couple stints behind bars, the fun of prison life would wear off. But not for this guy. He seems proud of the revolving door he's stuck in. Whether it's denial, ego, or just plain ignorance, he refuses to face reality. This whole circus should be shown in law schools as a what not to do in court masterclass. At the end of the day, his smugness didn't just cost him his dignity, it cost him 3 more years of his life. So what you think? Was 3 years justified? Or should the judge have gone even harder given his attitude? Drop your thoughts below, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, take care. What we're about to watch is less of a hearing and more of a live-action disaster class in how to throw away your freedom with attitude alone. From the jump, this guy walks into court like he owns the place, rolling his eyes, smirking, rocking in his chair like he's waiting on recess instead of sentencing. The arrogance is dripping off him. And let's be real, in court, body language speaks louder than words. Rule number 1? Sit down, shut up, and let your lawyer do the talking. Rule number 2? Whatever you do, don't clown the judge. But this man decides to break both rules in record time, turning his court date into some kind of comedy routine. Problem is, contempt of court isn't a punchline. And the judge? She's not the audience you want to bomb with. Then comes the kicker. He actually tells Judge